Hi everyone, I love Asian food and salt and pepper dishes are one of my weaknesses, so I wanted to show you how to make this delicious salt and pepper mushroom and eggplant dish. It hits all the taste buds and the crunchy texture just makes it that much better. Now let's get started. First we need our mushrooms. I'm using shiitakes because they have a nice meatiness to them, but you can use any mushroom that you have available. Because these are small, I'm going to leave them whole, but we just need to take off the stems. They twist off really easy, or you can just cut them off. If you have larger mushrooms, just cut them into quarters. This is Chinese eggplant. It's sweeter and has a better texture than the globe eggplant that we're used to eating, and there are way less seeds. So I prefer to use this for most dishes. All we need to do is peel the eggplant and then cut it into rings about a ½ inch wide. Throw both the mushrooms and the eggplant in a bowl and season it with salt. The salt's going to pull moisture from them, which is going to help make them crispy when we cook them. After you mix them, just let them sit for about 15 minutes. You'll see the water that came out of the eggplant in the bottom of the bowl. This is what you want. Then we just toss with cornstarch and evenly coat everything. Then just let it sit for about 20 more minutes. While that's sitting, we can cut our red peppers, our shishito peppers, which are the Russian roulette of the pepper world, julienne red onions, cut our green onions, and then I'm also going to cut some for garnish, chop the garlic, and this is Szechuan peppercorn. This is going to give it that numbing taste to it that you really get with Chinese food, and I just chop it with my knife. The last thing we need to do before we fry them is coat them with potato starch. If you don't have potato starch, then you can go ahead and use cornstarch. Fry these in oil at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I like to do these in small batches so that way the temperature of the oil stays hot. When you take them out of the oil, I like to let them dry on a rack, or if you don't have that, then you can use a paper towel. To cook all the vegetables, we're going to start with sesame oil and chopped garlic. When it starts to caramelize, you can add in your onions and your peppers. Thai basil is not traditionally in salt and pepper dishes, but I like it for the extra licoricey flavor that it adds. Add our Szechuan peppercorn and a lot of black pepper. We need to deglaze with a splash of Chinese cooking wine. We're also going to add some rice wine vinegar. Last thing we need to do is add in our mushrooms and our eggplant, give everything a quick toss, and then adjust the seasoning. And here it is, my version of Chinese salt and pepper, mushrooms and eggplant. It has all the flavors and textures that you're looking for in a perfect dish. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Leave me a comment if you want to see more Asian dishes on the channel. See you next time!